come back with some costs to see what the best direction is for the city. And that'd be up to you. That'd be a consensus for that as well, if that's okay.
Yeah, I also noted that they're moving from a 5-year contract to a 1-year contract, which makes it a little bit harder to lock in some of that pricing. So.
Yeah, and I get it. When we did the 4-year one a few years ago, it went up maybe 1-2% per year, but then hit us at 27% all at once. That's just, it's just a big hit. And if it's a 1-year contract, what are they going to hit us with next year? Yeah, worst case, I come back and I say, oh, it's $2 million, and you guys say no. Or it's $1 million, and you say yes. So give us an opportunity just to take a look at it, and then come back to you with numbers, and then we can decide moving forward what we're going to do.
Item C.